Welcome to the future of home entertainment. Meet the Hisense PX4-PRO, the triple laser projector that redefines your cinema experience. Hisense PX4-PRO Review, a premium triple laser UST projector that redefines home cinema. The Hisense PX4-PRO is one of the most advanced ultra-short throw UST projectors launched in 2026, combining cutting-edge triple laser technology, exceptional brightness, premium audio, and gaming-focused features into a sleek home entertainment system. Designed for movie enthusiasts and gamers alike, the PX4-PRO can project an enormous 80-inch to 200-inch display while sitting only inches away from the wall, making it an ideal replacement for large-screen televisions. With Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced certification, DV speakers, and the world's first FreeSync Premium certified UST projector, Hisense has created a true flagship home cinema experience. Stunning triple laser picture quality at the heart of the PX4-PRO is Hisense's latest LPU, Digital Laser Engine 3.0, powered by an RGB pure triple laser light source. Unlike conventional laser projectors, the dedicated red, green, and blue lasers deliver significantly richer colors and higher color accuracy. The projector produces an impressive 3,500 ANSI lumens, making it bright enough for both dark home theaters and living rooms with moderate ambient lighting. It also covers 118% of the BT 20/20 color space, offering vibrant, lifelike colors that closely match professional cinema standards. Hisense claims industry-leading color accuracy with a Delta E rating of 0.9 or lower, ensuring natural skin tones and realistic imagery, cinematic contrast, and HDR performance. Hisense has equipped the PX4-PRO with its exclusive Cine Black Pro system, featuring a dynamic iris, dynamic grayscale technology, and an enhanced black level EBL algorithm. Together, these technologies produce a contrast ratio of up to 6,500 to 1, significantly improving black levels and shadow detail. The projector supports virtually every major HDR format, including Dolby Vision HDR10 plus HDR10 HLG IMAX Enhanced, whether you're watching blockbuster movies, live sports, or streaming content. The PX4-PRO automatically optimizes brightness and contrast scene by scene for a more immersive viewing experience. Massive screen without the space requirements. One of the biggest advantages of the PX4-PRO is its 0.2 ultra-short throw ratio. Positioned just a few inches from the wall, it can project images ranging from 80 inches to an incredible 200 inches. This eliminates the need for ceiling mounting or long projection distances, making installation simple even in smaller rooms. Homeowners can enjoy a true cinema-sized display while maintaining a clean, clutter-free entertainment setup. AI-powered picture optimization. Beyond its impressive hardware, the Hisense PX4-PRO also leverages intelligent AI image processing to deliver consistently outstanding picture quality across different types of content. The projector automatically analyzes each frame in real time, adjusting brightness, contrast, color saturation, and sharpness to suit what you're watching. Whether you're streaming a dark thriller, watching a brightly lit sports event, or playing a fast-paced action game, the AI engine ensures the image remains balanced and visually appealing without requiring constant manual adjustments. The projector also features advanced motion enhancement technology, helping to reduce blur during high-speed scenes. This makes sporting events, racing games, and action movies appear smoother while maintaining excellent detail. Users who prefer the original cinematic frame rate can simply switch to filmmaker mode, which preserves the director's intended motion and color grading. Elegant design and easy installation. The PX4-PRO isn't just built for performance, it also complements modern living spaces with its premium industrial design. Finished with clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic, the projector blends seamlessly into contemporary home entertainment setups. Since it sits only a short distance from the projection surface, there are no long cables stretching across the room or complicated ceiling installations. Hisense has also simplified the setup process with intelligent auto-calibration features. Automatic keystone correction, focus adjustment, and screen alignment allow users to achieve a perfectly sized image within minutes. The projector can detect the projection surface and optimize the image geometry automatically, making installation significantly easier than traditional long-throw projectors. A future-proof investment. As streaming platforms continue to release more HDR and 4K content, investing in a projector that supports the latest display technologies becomes increasingly important. The Hisense PX4-PRO is designed with future entertainment standards in mind, offering support for modern HDR formats, HDMI 2.1 connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and high refresh rate gaming. These features ensure compatibility with next-generation gaming consoles, 4K Blu-ray players, and future streaming services. Combined with its long-lasting 25,000-hour laser light source, premium DVLA-tuned audio system, and industry-leading color performance, the PX4-PRO represents a long-term home entertainment solution rather than just another projector upgrade. For users seeking a cinema-quality experience without dedicating an entire room to a traditional projector setup, the Hisense PX4-PRO delivers an exceptional combination of convenience, performance, and cutting-edge technology that is built to remain competitive for years to come. Premium audio tuned by DVLA. Rather than requiring an immediate soundbar upgrade, Hisense has partnered with DVLA to deliver exceptional built-in sound. The projector features a 66 West Dolby Atmos 4.0, two-speaker system with 6 integrated speakers, including 2 upward-firing drivers that create convincing height effects. Dialogue remains clear, bass is surprisingly deep, and Dolby Atmos support enhances immersion for movies, concerts, and games. While dedicated home theater systems still provide superior surround sound, many users will find the PX4-PRO's built-in audio more than sufficient for everyday entertainment. Built for serious gamers, gaming is another area where the PX4-PRO stands out. Hisense markets it as the world's first FreeSync premium certified ultra-short-throw laser projector, offering features rarely found in large-screen projection systems. Gaming highlights include 1 millisecond low latency at 2240 Hz variable refresh rate, VRR, AMD FreeSync Premium MEMC motion enhancement, Xbox Cloud gaming support, HDMI 2.1 with auto low latency mode. These capabilities ensure smooth gameplay with reduced screen tearing and responsive controls, making the projector an excellent option for competitive gaming on an enormous display. Smart features and connectivity running on VIDA OS. The PX4-PRO offers access to a wide range of streaming applications and smart features without needing an external media player. Connectivity options include 2x HDMI 2.1, 2x HDMI 2.0, HDMI EARC, USB 3.0, USB 2.0 optical audio output, Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4. Support for Google Home integration further enhances its smart home compatibility, while wireless connectivity makes streaming and device pairing effortless. Long laser life and everyday reliability. The RGB laser light source is rated for over 25,000 hours of operation. Even with several hours of daily use, owners can expect many years of maintenance-free performance without replacing lamps. Additional features such as auto screen fit, eye protection, filmmaker mode, 3D compatibility, Bluetooth audio sharing, and Control 4 integration make the PX4-PRO suitable for both casual viewers and dedicated home theater enthusiasts. Final verdict: the Hisense PX4-PRO is a premium ultra-short-throw projector that successfully combines exceptional picture quality, powerful audio, advanced gaming features, and smart functionality into a single package. Its bright 3500 ANSI lumen triple laser engine, expansive 118% BT, 20/20 color coverage, Dolby Vision support, and 200-inch projection capability create a truly cinematic experience in almost any room. Although its premium price places it firmly in the high-end projector market, the PX4-PRO delivers outstanding value for users seeking a large-screen alternative to traditional televisions. Whether you're building a dedicated home theater, upgrading your living room entertainment setup, or looking for an immersive gaming display, The Hisense PX4-PRO stands out as one of the most impressive used projectors available in 2026.